As the revered Buddha Gautama once stated, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This powerful quote highlights the profound influence our thoughts and emotions have in shaping the reality we experience. By aligning our minds with positive energy and a mindset of abundance, we can draw wealth and prosperity into our lives. This concept is at the heart of various rituals involving cloves, which are used to help focus our intentions and channel the energy of abundance. When we nurture a mindset filled with positivity and gratitude, we create a magnetic force that attracts the prosperity we desire, thereby transforming our external world through the power of our inner state. Have you ever wondered how a simple spice such as cloves can influence your life and draw abundance toward you? Today, we'll delve into this intriguing subject through the lens of Buddhist teachings, uncovering how the placement of 3 cloves in specific locations can invite wealth and prosperity into your life. Welcome to Buddhist Teachings, your trusted source for exploring the profound insights of Buddhism and how they can enhance our daily lives. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you never miss our latest teachings. In Buddhism, every element of existence is intricately interconnected, and the energy we cultivate within ourselves can profoundly influence the world around us. By understanding and harnessing this energy, we can create lives filled with abundance and positivity. In today's discussion, we will explore a ritual involving 3 cloves and how this simple yet effective practice can help you attract wealth and protect your home. Stay with us as we unveil the powerful symbolism of cloves, rooted in ancient traditions, and discover practical steps to incorporate these rituals into your daily routine for increased prosperity and mindfulness. In the context of Buddhism, everything is interconnected, and every object, thought, and action possesses its unique energy. This energy, much like a magnet, attracts similar frequencies. Imagine you're tuning into a radio station. When you find the right frequency, you hear the music you desire. Similarly, aligning yourself with the right energy can help you attract abundance and prosperity into your life. This idea is closely aligned with the law of attraction, which posits that by harmonizing your thoughts and emotions with the energy of abundance, you naturally draw more of it into your life. But what does this mean in practical terms? It means that our internal state, our thoughts, emotions, and mindset acts as a magnet, attracting corresponding energies from the universe. However, negative emotions such as fear, doubt, and jealousy can interfere with this frequency, creating a barrier that prevents the flow of positive energy. This is why cultivating a mindset of positivity and gratitude is so vital. By doing so, you align yourself with higher frequencies of abundance, opening the door to wealth and prosperity. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can significantly help in maintaining this positive energy. Simple practices such as mindful breathing, gratitude journaling, and positive affirmations can greatly shift your energy. Remember, the goal is to maintain a high frequency that resonates with abundance, inviting wealth and prosperity into your life. Now that we have a better understanding of the energy of abundance, let's explore how a simple yet potent ritual can help you attract wealth and prosperity. This ritual centers on the use of cloves, a spice renowned for its protective and spiritual properties. Cloves, those small, reddish-brown spices, are much more than just a culinary delight. They have been utilized for centuries across various cultures for protection and as a means to attract good fortune. In the context of Buddhist teachings, cloves symbolize purification and the warding off of negative energies. Historically, cloves were highly valued, not only for their flavor, but also for their medicinal and spiritual benefits. They were often employed in rituals to cleanse spaces and protect against harm. By incorporating cloves into your daily practices, you can harness their powerful energy to invite abundance into your life. In the sections that follow, I will guide you through 3 simple yet effective rituals involving cloves. These practices are designed to protect your home, enhance your financial well-being, and create a positive, abundant environment. By integrating these rituals into your routine, you can align yourself with the energy of abundance and attract wealth and prosperity effortlessly. The 3 rituals. Ritual 1. Planting cloves for protection and prosperity. For the first ritual, you will need 3 cloves and a plant known as the mother-in-law's tongue, also called a snake plant. This plant is known for its hardy nature and air-purifying qualities, making it ideal for this ritual. Gather your materials. Begin by gathering 3 cloves and a snake plant in a pot with soil. Plant the cloves. Take the 3 cloves and plant them in the soil of the snake plant. Ensure they are well covered. Significance of 3. The number 3 holds significant meaning in many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism. It symbolizes creation, harmony, and balance. Nikola Tesla famously emphasized the power of 3, 6, and 9, referring to them as the key to understanding the universe. Placement. Position the plant at the entrance of your home or office. The entrance is a critical point for the energy flow in your space. By placing the plant here, you invite protection and prosperity into your life. This simple act channels positive energy and abundance into your space, creating a protective barrier that wards off negative influences and attracts wealth. Ritual 2. Cloves in your safe. Next, let's enhance the energy surrounding your finances with another simple ritual. Gather your cloves. For this ritual, you will need 3 cloves. Place the cloves. Place the 3 cloves in the area where you store your money, whether it's a safe, a jar, a drawer, or a box. Symbolism. Cloves are known to offer protection and enhance the energy of wealth. By placing them where you keep your savings, you create a potent energy field that supports financial growth. Affirmation. As you place each clove, you can say an affirmation, such as I am abundant, my wealth is protected, and prosperity flows into my life. This ritual reinforces the energy of abundance in your financial life, safeguarding your wealth and attracting more prosperity. Ritual 3. Creating an abundance charm. For the third ritual, we will create a portable charm that you can carry with you. This charm will serve as a constant reminder of the abundance you're attracting into your life. Get a small red cloth bag. The color red is ideal because it symbolizes energy, power, and prosperity. Avoid using black as it can symbolize mourning and attract negative energy. Add a coin or banknote. Place a coin or a banknote inside the bag. Ensure it is real currency, something you can actually spend to keep the energy grounded in reality. Add 3 cloves. Place 3 cloves into the bag. As you add each clove, say, I am abundance. Close the bag tightly. Seal the bag tightly and carry it with you in your purse, wallet, or pocket. These rituals, simple yet profound, can help you harness the energy of abundance and transform your life by attracting wealth and prosperity. This little bag becomes a charm that continually attracts wealth, protection, and prosperity into your life. Whenever you open your purse or wallet and see the bag, it will remind you of the positive energy you're channeling and the financial opportunities you're inviting into your life. Ritual 4. Water ritual for health, wealth, and love. Finally, let's enhance our practice with a water ritual that not only attracts wealth, but also promotes health and love. Prepare the water. Take a clear glass and fill it with clean water. Add 3 cloves. Drop 3 cloves into the water. As you drop each clove, say, I am money for the first clove, I am love for the second clove, and I am health for the third clove. Placement. Place this glass at the entrance of your home or office. You can also put one in both places to maximize the positive energy. This ritual addresses what I call the master areas of life: health, wealth, and love. By placing the charged water at key entrances, you create a protective barrier and draw in sources of abundance for you and everyone else in your space. This simple practice helps maintain a balanced and prosperous environment, encouraging positive energies to flow freely. The mindfulness connection. In Buddhism, mindfulness is the key to cultivating a life of abundance. By being fully present in each moment, we can align our thoughts and emotions with positive energy. This practice not only helps us stay grounded, but also enhances our ability to attract prosperity. Mindfulness practices, such as mindful breathing, walking meditation, and gratitude journaling, can significantly shift our energy. When we focus on the present moment, we reduce stress and clear our minds of negativity. This state of calm and clarity allows us to connect with the frequency of abundance. Daily mindfulness helps maintain a positive mindset, making it easier to attract wealth and prosperity. Remember, a mindful approach to life is a prosperous approach to life, opening the door to endless possibilities and abundance. Integrating Buddhist teachings in Buddhism, the path to abundance is not solely about material wealth, but also spiritual enrichment. The teachings of Buddhism offer profound insights into living a life of balance, harmony, and contentment. One of the key teachings is the importance of generosity, known as dana. By cultivating a spirit of generosity and sharing our wealth with others, we create positive karma and contribute to the well-being of all beings. Generosity is not only about giving material possessions, but also about sharing our time, knowledge, and compassion. Another fundamental concept in Buddhism is the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is the antidote to feelings of lack and scarcity. By appreciating the blessings in our lives, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and attract more positive experiences. Even in challenging times, there is always something to be grateful for. Buddhism also emphasizes the importance of living mindfully. Mindfulness is about being fully present in each moment without judgment or attachment. When we practice mindfulness, we become aware of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, allowing us to make conscious choices that lead to greater well-being and prosperity. By integrating these teachings into our daily lives, we can create a foundation for lasting abundance and fulfillment. Whether through acts of generosity, expressions of gratitude, or mindful living, we align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe and invite blessings to manifest in our lives. As we conclude our exploration of these powerful rituals inspired by Buddhist teachings, let's take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom we've uncovered. These rituals offer more than just a way to attract material wealth. They provide a pathway to deeper spiritual fulfillment and contentment. By aligning ourselves with the energy of abundance and prosperity, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute positively to the world around us. Remember, it's not just about the rituals themselves, but the intention and energy we bring to them. Whether it's planting cloves for protection and prosperity, infusing our finances with positive energy, or carrying an abundance charm with us wherever we go, each practice is a reminder of our innate connection to the abundance of the universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindful exploration. May these teachings serve as a guiding light on your path to abundance and prosperity. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Buddhist teachings for more insights into living a mindful and abundant life. May the blessings of the universe shower upon you and fill your life with peace, prosperity, and joy.